March 23rd, 2014, Sunday afternoon. We're here in the Brandon Innovation Center parking lot, about to test the GPS functionality on the robot. We've been having occasional trouble driving on grass, so we just wanted to test it out somewhere that still has a pretty flat plane. We wanted to make sure that we could just actually get the GPS working without having to worry about the grass in addition to that. So we're just going to do some tests real quick to see how well the GPS can influence the movement of the robot. Okay, so we're back out here. We went inside briefly because during one of the tests, laptop kind of fell off the robot and is still trying to start up back in the Myers building. Round and round it goes. March 24th, 2014, kind of a chilly but otherwise nice Monday afternoon. We are just outside of our lab space, which, pardon the pen, it's right there. We're actually locked out at the moment. Hopefully someone lets us in at some point. In any case, we're just in this kind of back alley area, going to try the GPS system on the robot. The idea is that we're going to track the current position of the robot via the GPS, and I'm going to mark a spot where it currently is at with this hopefully water soluble, so we've been promised, spray paint, of which we're going to use, to paint the field. I'm just going to mark it right about, oh come on, right about, jeez, which I'm going to mark it just right about, right? It's like, what's going on? Which I'm going to mark it right about, of which I'm going to mark it right about, right about, oh, no, here. Jesus Christ. It's like these are meant for machines or something. I don't think it's necessarily a, oh. Yeah, that's the problem right there. Thank you. Mark right along here. Alright, that should be visible to the camera, as you can see right along there. Got him covered in paint. Those cans, I guess I gotta give more credit to Brennan for getting those things firing, because I'm not covered in paint. They were really never meant to be fired by human hands.
I guess I need to call.
By the way, new can-holding invention here by Brennan Chung, our resident mechanical engineer. It is just a very nice swiveling piece of acrylic and metal. Holds in the cans very nicely. Also has cuts actually on the inside. Let's see if we can see that. Look at that. It's pretty, isn't it? In any case, so again, recording the current position that it's at. It's currently sitting on that white line that we drew previously. We're going to pick it up, carry it off to a new location to show that we are in fact not using the motor encoders to figure out where we need to come back to. The USB cable for the webcam right here is in fact disconnected, just to prove that we aren't using Vision Rec to do this. We are driving in the parking lot mostly for the idea that since we are still having a few issues driving on grass, we wanted to test the GPS independent of those issues to just kind of make sure that this works before we try to tackle the driving on grass issue. Yeah, we're definitely going to carry it. And actually, if you want to carry it while I can record. Not that I'm lazy or anything. I'm going to grab this guy. Off they go. So again, white line, robot. With any luck, the robot will come back to me, or maybe I'll move towards it so we can see it a little bit better. Now the GPS does have a built-in about 5 feet of uncertainty. That was as advertised. So the GPS itself is not going to be useful in terms of just by itself causing the robot to go to where we want it to go. Instead, it's going to be an aid to the Vision Rec, of which we're still kind of working on. The idea, of course, is that the foul post and the foul lines, rather, will be painted almost exclusively through vision rec. The GPS will keep it on track best it can, especially through the compass. So we're just kind of waiting on seeing if this works. Here it comes. Watch out for the sewer grate. It's cool. It's fine. Come on. Oh, just like I said, sewer grate. That's cool. Sewer grates are nice. It's definitely tracking that one direction. Whee! So one more time, just to make sure that we didn't cheat during a clip cut. Right here, you can see the webcam cable is disconnected from the robot, so it's going to be exclusively run through the GPS, both the compass and the latitude, longitude. Hey, look at that. We even tipped it up. So unless we're tracking something in the sky, we actually have Brennan on a crop duster who's just going to fly up above. No, this is going to be exclusively GPS running here. There we go. All right. It's not the straightest thing in the world, but it is definitely correcting. Look at that. Kind of see that white splotch in the distance. That's where it's generally heading towards again. It's about oh dear. Oh no. Oh dear. I wasn't ready for that. No. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Get ready to stop it before it runs into his car. Okay, well, that was unexpected.
So it was indeed navigating towards the white spot.
Yeah, it was getting close. So, yeah, I think we'll leave it at that. Sorry. Hey, but it worked, right? It definitely went towards a certain direction, and we'll definitely be able to use that compass data. Again, we're kind of trying to determine whether or not the latitude, longitude is going to be of use to us. We'll figure that out. So, yeah, step one part down, 2 to go.